All right, beautiful day. We had a little snowstorm last night, got 3 or 4 inches of snow. We're gonna head up the Ogden Canyon Overlook Trail this morning and give it a shot. We're just wearing cleats. It's not deep enough for snowshoes, I don't think, so we'll just give it a shot with our regular boots and cleats. All right, yeah, there's a good 4 or 5 inches of snow right here. And you could almost have some snowshoes today, but we're just wearing our hiking boots. Got a few people that's gone in before me this morning. About 10:30, the sun's coming up finally. Clouds have been kind of covering things up this morning. Beautiful day for a hike in the pure white mountain snow. Alright, we're down the meadow. It's still not covered. It takes a lot of snow to cover that meadow. But we got 4, 5, 6 inches. Starting to get a little snow. Clouds are slowing a little bit, but we'll just keep on going. Following this skier ahead of me gives me a little trail, but that's about it. Nobody's been up this trail today besides him. Certainly blazing the trail today. There's not a hiker ahead of me, as you can see. Just my trail today. Here's a birdhouse. Here's another birdhouse. And there's another birdhouse way over there in the center. And there's another birdhouse way over there in the center of this picture. And there's another one right there. Clouds are really coming down low now, and snow's starting to fly, but you see the cloud level is quite low now. Well, we're definitely blazing this trail today in a snowstorm. It's starting pretty good, but we're going to keep on going. Kind of fun to be up here, knowing I'm blazing the trail after this good snowstorm. It's coming down like nobody's business. No white Christmas this year down the valley, but it's a white January day there in the Wasatch. Still snowing like nobody's business. All right, we're up here a little bit. Got a little view of the valley that you can't really see very good. Clouds are starting to thin a bit. It's getting a little brighter. By the time we get up to the saddle, the storm may have lifted. Yeah, I can see the mountain now. So it'll probably stop by the time we get up there. All right, we're at the last switchback. I think this is the last one to the top. Almost there. Storm's lifted, it's not snowing. Wind's blowing a little bit, but we're almost to the saddle. We made it, and it wasn't easy. We made it to the saddle. It's not blowing. There's snow. It's blowing a little bit, but not snowing. Snow is clouds are lifting a little bit. Might even be sunny by the time I get back to the trailhead. There's Snowbasin way over there, and we're hiking by ourselves today. Well, my hands are freezing because I didn't take my good heavy-duty gloves. I got some light cloth gloves, but I got some little hand heaters that I'm going to break out and stick in each hand and keep my hands warm for a little while. Have a little beef jerky as my lunch. It's about 12:30, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to keep moving down this trail. Well, I finally started watching Luke and the Outdoor Boys this past week. I really haven't been part of that, and I about decided my little Alaska is right here in the Wasatch Front, and I was in my Alaska snowstorm today, and kind of a fun experience to be up here in nature and enjoy the beautiful day, the snow, the sun popping through the clouds, and being able to hike all the way up there in 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of new snow. People that's been hiking, it looks like, since the snowstorm. People aren't going up where I went, but they have been coming in, and here we are at the meadow and the ponds down here. You can hear the snow machines working up on Snowbasin, blowing water into the air and it freezing and creating snow. All right, I'm coming to the end of the hike. We're gonna make it. Wasn't sure I was gonna make the whole thing, but the snow went away, and